Everybody put on your seatbelts before I burn rubber.
Don't act like you're in a drag. You're a big tickle.
Everybody got some bread for some dewbacks?
I got the weed.
What's fuzzing, cousin?
Alright, if you're in my rocket, make sure you put your seatbelts on.
Your set of wheels is souped up. Stable the horses at the passion pit.
Aaron, you're such a wet rag when you drive, bro. You're bad news, Marcus.
You raspberry berries.
Hey, let me get some nuggets for gas. I'm a little skinny.
I'm frail. That'll buy. I got you, Aaron.
No, man, I'm on cloud 9.
This car ain't even hopped up.
Just lay a passion, let's get out of here.
I'm cranked.
I mean, you sound like Mickey Mouse.
Cool it before I give you a knuckle sandwich. Goose it.
Bruh.
Let's just go home. Let's bash yours about it.
Tell that baby with the classic chassis to get in and buckle up.
Get in the car, baby girl.
Sitting on you this whole
I
time,
know.
bro.
And I'm just like, I'm cranked. That'll buy. I got you, Aaron.
Hey, when we talk, let's try to keep it like some space between us.
This car ain't even hopped.
Can I get some nuggets?
Look, there's a baby.
Tell that baby with the classic chassis to get in and buckle up.
Get in the car, baby girl.